In a victory for affirmative action advocates, a federal appeals court ruled in favor of the University of Texas at Austin's admissions policies Tuesday, which lets the school's admissions office consider race as a factor. In the case of Fisher versus University of Texas at Austin, Abigail Fisher, a white Texas student, claims she was unfairly denied admission into UT back in 2008. Now, Politico says if Fisher would have finished in the top 10% of her high school class, she would have been automatically admitted, but she fell short. Either way, Fisher felt she was wronged, and the case was appealed all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court in June 2013. Hundreds rallied, mostly supporters of the school's current affirmative action policies, including the NAACP. KVUE reports the High Court ruled 7-1 that the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals didn't apply strict scrutiny in its decision. So they shot it back to the Circuit Court to hear more arguments, which, once again, came out on the side of the university. In the divided 2-1 decision, Judge Patrick Higginbotham wrote, "We are persuaded that to deny UT Austin its limited use of race in its search for holistic diversity would hobble the richness of the educational experience." University of Texas at Austin President Bill Powers praised the decision in a statement on the university's website. "This ruling ensures that our campus, our state, and the entire nation will benefit from the exchange of ideas and thoughts that happens when students who are diverse in all regards come together in the classroom, at campus events, and in all aspects of campus life." Tuesday's decision doesn't make this an open and shut case, though. Inside Higher Ed points out that while it might be a win for affirmative action supporters, lawyers for the other side are already planning to appeal to the Supreme Court, so we'll most likely see this case again. Tuesday's ruling also runs counter to a Supreme Court decision in April that upheld a Michigan ban on affirmative action policies at its state-run colleges. In fact, the issue as a whole is still up in the air nationally, but the momentum lately seems to be against affirmative action. According to the national conferences of state legislatures, Oklahoma, New Hampshire, and Arizona have all adopted similar amendments in the past 4 years prohibiting such so-called positive discrimination in the form of affirmative action. For Newsy, I'm Jay Struberg.